Kidz Vidz! As you know, Thanksgiving is coming up. So, I want to thank my family, friends, teachers, and most importantly, my YouTube viewers for liking and watching my videos. So in this video, I decided to make a Thanksgiving decoration, and what better than a paper turkey. And I learned this from my school, and without further ado, let's get started. So the materials you'll need are a few colorful paper, scissors, glue, oil pastel, brown oil pastel. If you have brown construction paper, then you don't need this oil pastel, googly eyes, and a bow. So let's get started. So step 1 is to take the bowl and you're gonna trace it on the paper. Okay, so now that I've drew the circle, I'm gonna take the brown oil pastel and we're gonna color it in. Now that we've colored the circle, let's cut it out. So for the feathers, I'm gonna make a template of the feathers. So we're gonna use that template to make other feathers. So let's make the feather. Now I'll cut out the feather. So we're gonna use the total of the feathers has to be 8 feathers. So I'm gonna draw 7 more of these. Now, let's trace 2 on other colorful papers as well. Now that we've cut the feathers, we're gonna stick them together. I'll arrange the colors alternately. Now let's put the remaining 2 colors on top of these feathers. We'll put these colors also alternately. Let's see how the pattern looks like. Wow, it looks pretty good. Now let's stick these feathers to the head. Let's see how the face pretty much looks like. Wow, that looks really good. Now, let's decorate the face with the googly eyes and a nose. For the nose, I'm going to be simply drawing a triangle on one of the colored papers. In this case, I'm going to be using orange. Okay, so let's glue the nose onto the turkey's face. Now, let's put in the googly eyes. Let's make the turkey legs. So let me draw the legs and I'll cut them out. Now let's trace this leg for the second leg. So let's stick the legs to the turkey's face. So this is how our final turkey looks like. Bye guys! If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments, please put it in the comments down below or on my Facebook page. And my Facebook page link is in the description down below. Bye! Have a happy Thanksgiving!